Namaste. Today's recipe is Chhattisgarh famous Salga Bada curry. Welcome to Little Chef's Hut Kitchen. You can also join us in our Hindi channel Craftistic Roseworld for the same recipe in Hindi. Let's start. For this curry, we need 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 dry red chilies, handful of curry leaves and handful of tamarind. For gravy, we need 2 medium-sized finely chopped onion and 2 medium-sized finely chopped tomato. For bada, we need 2 cups of overnight soaked yellow split gram tansils or black tansils as per your wish. Now grind the washed and soaked tansils with asafoetida to a coarsely grind paste and beat them enough so that it becomes fluffy to float on water. Put little salt in the paste just before making the balls. Don't put salt as per your taste because we are also using salt in our curry. So put a little salt in the paste and fry the balls till they become golden brown. Now remove all the balls from the oil. In the same pan we are going to make our curry, so reduce the oil and put cumin seeds and mustard seeds with dry chilies. Saute a little. Now add curry leaves. Again saute. After few seconds, put ginger garlic paste. Let them become golden brown and then add onions. We are not going to make the onions too much brown, just make them pinkish and add chopped tomatoes. Saute a little. Before covering it, put salt. Again, you have to be very careful in putting salt because we have already put salt in our balls. Now cover it and let it cook for a couple of minutes. I have used the curry leaves with its stem. It gives nice aroma and flavor. Now I am going to remove them. Now we have to add tamarind water and mix it well with the curry. You have to mix it properly and then we have to cook it for a couple of minutes again. Also add the dry spices, that is the chili powder, turmeric powder. Again mix them well. We have to cook the spices with the curry properly. Now after mixing it properly, we are going to cover it again for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it cook. After 5 to 7 minutes, uncover it and roast the curry. Also try to mash the ingredients as much as you can so that the curry becomes thick and the consistency of the gravy also becomes thick. Proper roasting also helps in enhancing the richness and the flavor and the color of the gravy. So roast it properly as much as you can because it enhances the flavor. Now add 2 glasses of water in the gravy. We have to make the gravy with flowing consistency. It should not be very thick. So add as much water as you need. Now cover it and bring it to boil. When the gravy is boiling, uncover it, adjust the consistency and add crushed fenugreek leaves, dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, and also put all the balls or bada in the gravy. We have to cover it again and bring it to boil or just boil it for a couple of seconds. And here it is. Salga Bada curry is ready to serve. So don't forget to tell us your experience with this recipe. If you like our recipe, do tell us in the comment section. Like, subscribe and share our video and channel, and do connect with us and stay with us for more such recipes. Happy cooking. Bye bye.